Lily. Hi lovely people. The rain has started. Well, it hasn't stopped. And last night Lily did the same thing. With the heavy downpour of rain hitting the roof and so forth, she came down. She was up just as always, sleeping up there in the hangout spot, and you can see a pony is also rather restless. I just walk food so I don't fall over. Amaya is laying in that moss box. She has been out because she shed today, so hence why she's been in there for days actually, but she must like it because she's gone back in. It must be all dry by now, so I will be moving her butt a little bit tomorrow and getting that moss box out, and I'll moisten it up again for her. But Lily and I are going to go outside, and she's already knocked my girl over here and broken her arms off. So I'm not very impressed with Lily. And what are you doing? Do you know that I'm saying, and I'm going to say, a big fat no to you, because you've already done damage over there, and I'm not going to let you do it again. And that I will be throwing away now, Lily, because you've damaged her beyond repair. Unless I just have a girl sitting there with no arms, I guess. I found the arms, but there's just no way I can actually fix it. So last night Lily did this when the rains started, and I just picked her up, and I'm going to do the same thing, and I will get her, but I'm going to have to sort of take you out of view a little bit while I actually do get her up and around my shoulders, pretty much at this point. Or you're getting heavy, Lil. Well, you're still light, but you're heavy. Okay, so this is what we did last night for a while, seeing as Lily was so restless with listening to that rain coming down. If my camera will focus out here with minimal light, I'll turn the next light on as well. That might help a little bit. As you can see, it's, the wind blows rain in a little bit, so it's a little bit damp out here, but not a lot. And I will put Lily down as I did last night, and she can make her way very quickly, actually she is, to where she wants to go, which is under the pillows. And here comes my Mia to, hello darling, hello, did you come to say hello to us? Oh look, Lily has completely disappeared here. I will get her where we can see her. Where are you going? I see you. I see you. The same spot. Actually, it is exactly the same spot as where she went last night. Up onto this blanket, just pretty much laying here up on the blanket. Oh, she's going back down. Right down there. I'll just get her up a little bit more where she feels a little bit more secure up with some of her body. But there she is. And I think she just enjoys hearing the rain. And of course Mia has always, she loves the snakes and always comes over and says hello to them. Don't you? You don't mind the snakes at all. And here comes Ruby for a visit as well. Wow, we've got the whole gang here tonight. Lily, what do you think? Hey? But we sat out here for a good half an hour last night, just listening to the rain, and it was wonderful. I kept Lily I kept Lily nice and warm. She had a lot of her body on me and across me, but her head just sort of resting up there. So she was nice and warm, and it's warm, guys, anyway. I don't know what the temperature is right now, but you know, it's hot. Been a hot day. Even though it's raining, it's humid and warm. So I know that she is, you know, quite comfortable out here. And at the moment, the only part that she really has resting on me is her tail. But I can cover her back end a bit more and keep that warm with my leg. And as you can see, Lily don't care. She's more than content to chill. And Lily, you know, she does do this. You see a lot of Lily coming out, and you know, she does just sort of say her hello, and then she heads on up to the hangout spot and spends the day. And I can say what I've actually noticed with Lily, though, is if I leave the room and it's hard to explain, but I've seen her so many times sort of make her way halfway back, and it's almost like she is checking as to where I am, and I'll see her and I will kind of let her know that, oh, you know, I'll sit back down, and she will turn around and go back up to the hangout spot. Yeah, it is almost like she's sort of woken up and realised the room's quiet and nobody's there, and she's coming down to find out where everybody is, I think. But these are the times that I love spending with Lily. When it's quiet, it's raining. She knows it's raining. And she's curious about the rain, the wet. And I think this might become a bit of a habit because I've done it. I did it last night, and it's almost like, well, can we do that again, Mum? Because that was really good, and let's go outside, please. So, you know, she's just observing. She's just just looking around and just checking everything out, aren't you? Hey? Yeah, I know. I've got the camera tonight. I didn't have it last night, and I sort of got out here and I thought, oh, I should have brought the camera out because she doesn't stay still very often. She's always moving and, yeah, checking things out. But tonight and last night, we had a good half hour out here, didn't we? Just chilling with each other. That's what I love to do. Just chill. It's nice. And it's great just before I go to bed too. Mia, are you coming? You coming over? Come over, say hello. You gonna come and say hello? Yes? I know. I know. Hey, Lil. And I can hear Zazu in the background as well. No, Lil. It's the cat. It's just the cat. You know the cat. And you boot snoot each other, and I know that you do. Hey? Hey? What is it? It's not to... Where you gonna go? Where you gonna go? Sorry, it keeps going out of focus because it focuses on Missy here, and then I move it and it's not focusing, and Lily's moving here. Hang on. Lil, it's wet down there, darling. It's just way too wet for you tonight. It's just too wet, darling, to go down on the ground. Hey. She says, no, I'm going to the ground now. And I know she needs the toilet. She desperately needs the toilet right now. But it is too wet. Sorry guys, as I put you down there, but Lil, you know what we're going to do? So anyway, Lily is on the move, and so that means I'm going to tune out and see. So, now that Lily and I are totally saturated, and I mean Lily too, because Lily really did need to go to the bathroom, and I mean needed to go, and the moment I put her down on the grass, she went. So now I have to towel off. So does Lily, and I'm guessing she will settle much better now that she has been able to go to the toilet. It's been raining for days, guys. So tomorrow is going to be Tessa's turn. Bye. Take care of yourself and your family, your friends, your snakes, and all your animals. Ciao.